Welcome back to my channel, everybody. It's Leah with Skin Beautiful RX. I'm a licensed esthetician and I own skinbeautifulrx.com, which is an online as well as in-person spa and medical grade skincare site where we provide the very best skincare so you can get the healthiest, most beautiful skin that I know we are all capable of. So today's video is a 5-minute review on a brand new product. One of my very first videos on YouTube was on Is Clinical Cleansing Complex. It is by far one of my and my clients, as well as all of our customers' favorite products, favorite cleansers. It is so gentle yet so wildly effective that it's great for all skin types. Well, they just came out with Cleansing Complex Polish, which if you love Cleansing Complex, you are definitely going to love this product. This is also a cleanser, which I really like because I know a lot of people recently are trying to pare down their routine, and two things you always need in your routine is a cleanser and an exfoliant, and now you can have all in one, and it's so gentle you can use it as often as you would like on all skin types. So special about this product, it not only provides biochemical exfoliation, but it also provides physical exfoliation, which are two very important ways that we can exfoliate without damaging our skin when done properly. And in this formula, you are getting an all-in-one for really the most beautiful, polished, smooth, vibrant skin. But actually what makes this even more special is, I guess it could actually be a 3-in-1. It is a pH of 5.5, meaning it's your cleanser, your exfoliant, and it tones your skin because it is a neutral pH. Now before we get into the really awesome ingredients, I wanted to quickly explain what I mean by biochemical as well as physical exfoliant. Physical exfoliant just means it uses something to exfoliate your skin, and in this product it uses jojoba beads. We all love jojoba beads. In fact, many different products use jojoba beads because they're smooth, they are super safe for our skin, they won't provide micro tears, and they will polish your skin super smooth while keeping it very healthy. Jojoba beads can do that because they actually mimic our skin's natural sebum, naturally secrete sebum to protect our skin, to waterproof our skin, and jojoba has the ability to mimic this ingredient. And jojoba has the ability to mimic this for our skin, which keeps it healthy, as well as it does not strip our skin of natural oils, that we need to maintain a healthy moisture barrier. Jojoba also, while very smooth and gentle, they can easily penetrate the pore to clear out and rid the impurities that lie deep in the pore that result in blackheads. Now by biochemical, we mean that it provides a chemical exfoliant that over time will naturally release dead skin cells. So it's using two different ways, immediate exfoliation as well as long-term exfoliation in one very beautiful formula. And now I can talk to you guys about how wonderful the ingredients are in this product. Just like in the original cleansing complex, the new polish also has willow bark extract at 1%. And this just provides that chemical desquamification of our skin cells, the intracellular cement basically that holds all this dead skin together and can make our skin rough and bumpy as well as dull. So once we can lay that nice gentle willow bark extract on the skin, it'll immediately go to work eating that cement basically, and it will reveal just the most beautiful, refined complexion, as well as help to work on fine lines and wrinkles, as well as it's amazing for acne, especially if you have sensitive skin. Another chemical exfoliant that the new polish has is a 1% sugar cane, which is actually derived from glycolic. So it has salicylic derivative as well as glycolic derivative, both in 1%. These two chemical exfoliants are really great because they both go in to the skin on different levels to exfoliate. So one goes deeper than the other, so they can provide the most beautiful exfoliation of the skin where it needs it most. And the new polish also has glycerin. You guys know how much I love glycerin. It's a natural humectant as well as skin moisturizer. So while we're not stripping the skin, but we are providing multi-levels of exfoliation, the glycerin is going to go in, it's going to provide a nice hydration and moisturization to the skin, replenish anything our skin needs. If you're kind of dry, it's going to go in and help to hydrate the skin, and you're not going to be left with that squeaky clean feeling, which is actually very bad. It's actually your skin barrier being stripped, so that glycerin is going to lay on the skin and provide a really healthy layer of hydration. The last ingredient is chamomile extract, which is a natural antiviral, antibacterial that's going to help to calm the skin. It's going to help with redness as well as provide antioxidant protection. So it's just an all-in-one really beautiful formulation that's going to provide exfoliation, antioxidants, as well as hydration, meaning it's going to be great for all skin types, whether you're overly dry or overly oily, whether you have pigmentation or acne, sensitive skin. Every single skin type can use this because it is so gentle yet so very effective. And while it provides chemical and physical exfoliation, it's then going to layer on top these calming, hydrating ingredients so that every single person can use it. Lastly, because this is such a gentle physical exfoliant, meaning you can use this and you do not have to worry about over time it actually compromising your skin. I know a lot of people get really excited about a really gritty product for the face. But unfortunately over time, you know, that does break down our barrier. So I absolutely love this product for that reason. If you're somebody who likes to use a scrubby product every single day, you do not have to worry, you know, a month, 3 months down the line being like, I'm red, I'm dry, my barrier's compromised, because this is replenishing the hydration and it's not going to be too gritty for everyday use. So I hope this video was very helpful. You guys know how much I love Cleansing Complex, and now I'm absolutely obsessed with the polish. So if you're now or in the future looking to pare down your routine and would like a cleanser, exfoliant, toner all in one, you are getting all three of these with this product. I hope it was really helpful. If you guys have any questions, please let me know below. If not, I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.